Assets that will make you rich in the future. People are not rich only because they have things or because they can buy things. True wealth is defined by the asset you own. It is something that works for you, makes money for you, something that appreciates your money. It works for you even when you are sleeping. Many people ask how to make money, how to get rich. So here we will share with you 8 assets that can help you in the process of becoming a millionaire. Hello and welcome to Luxus. Number 1. Owning a traditional business. Many businesses generate significant amounts of cash from their operations, providing ample room to reinvest in the business and pocket the cash for yourself. Not every business needs to be groundbreaking to become a great income-generating investment. In fact, there is a class at Harvard Business School that promotes the idea of buying an existing small business for the right price and running it yourself as the CEO. Many business schools preach the need to become managers in existing companies and drive them to even greater success. These professors suggest going the opposite route, starting small by purchasing an existing small business and managing it toward financial gain. By purchasing an established business with developed customer lists, operations, staff, and processes, you de-risk much of the uncertainty around the business formation and starting up. If done well, you can generate cash flow freely and either grow the business further or pay yourself a handsome salary from your profits. Number 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Currently, one of the leading and easiest ways to get started with real estate investing is through crowdsourced lending or purchasing. Many companies now offer the opportunity to invest in real estate with or without owning property. The real estate investment is a tangible investment that has a low correlation with the stock market. It also consists of multiple return assets that grow in value with lots of tax advantages. Number 3. Invest in small businesses. Imagine a small town in the heart of America where the streets are lined with quaint shops and diners that offer home-cooked meals to locals and visitors alike. When you walk down this main street, you can feel the sense of community that fills the air. People stop by each other's businesses to chat about their day or lend a helping hand when needed. It feels like everyone is family here, and that's because they are, whether you realize it or not. It's not just one small company that provides jobs for this town. Rather, every store owner has created their own niche business which brings joy and financial stability to those around them too. Wouldn't you want to support such a community and see it flourish? Well, now you can through a small business crowdfunding service. Companies like Mainvest curate small business opportunities in your local community or nationwide for you to invest, track, and build a portfolio and passive income investments. These business ventures offer returns between 10 and 25% per year through revenue sharing notes. You can invest based on location, industry, and risk appetite by comparing terms and qualitative data for the 300+ investment opportunities that have launched on the small business investing platform since Mainvest's founding. Number 4. Lending cryptocurrency. Millennials have flocked to cryptocurrency recently. Those who have bought and held their cryptocurrency might want it to do something for them while they wait around holding it. If this sounds like something of interest, BlockFi is a service that offers multiple services you might enjoy. The company, targeting an audience looking to do more with their crypto assets, wants to help crypto investors grow their investment holdings and build their overall wealth. One popular product with the service is the BlockFi Interest Account. This product helps individuals and companies who own crypto to earn interest on their crypto. BlockFi Interest Account clients can deposit their crypto and earn interest on these funds, often well above market for traditional high-yield savings accounts. Number 5. Farmland. There are other types of real estate you can invest in outside of residential and commercial properties, such as farmland. Historically, farmland investing has only been available to the ultra-wealthy. However, with the introduction of crowdfunding platforms like Farm Together, this high barrier to entry has been significantly reduced, and the asset is widely accessible to investors of all kinds for the first time. As one of the best passive income ideas for investment, farmland typically offers a steady, reliable return on investment, low correlation to traditional assets like stocks and bonds, and a hedge against inflation. Over the past several decades, farmland has consistently yielded returns of over 10%. After all, the primary use for the land is food, and people will always need to eat. Number 6. Royalties. When people think of royalties, music is the first to come to mind, but royalties can apply to other creative products, such as art, natural resources, and more. You don't have to be the musician or artist who created a song or piece to profit from it. In the world of art, you can invest in royalties and receive payment every time your product is used. An easy way to get started is to check out Royalty Exchange. This website allows you to buy music royalties from musicians. And if you're looking to invest in art for capital appreciation instead of just as assets generating income for your financial needs, consider investing in art with Masterworks. The platform allows you to invest in blue-chip art and profit when the company sells this art for a higher value than it was acquired. Number 7. Car rental. Cars are a depreciating asset, but it's still possible to turn your vehicle into an asset that generates cash flow by renting it out. You can choose when to rent it out so that you always have it when you need to use it. A website such as TURO will let you list your car for rent and set the time frames. You could also make a deal with someone you trust who would like to use your car to drive for Uber or Lyft. Your car's value will depreciate faster the more miles that are put on it, but if you're making income more quickly than the depreciation rate, it can still be worth it. Number 8. Living off dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are a great way to receive consistent earnings throughout the year. Usually, these stocks are from more mature and established companies who are able to part with their cash flow more easily. This occurs because there are fewer opportunities to invest and grow the company, and the best manner to use these funds would be to return the cash to shareholders. No two companies are the same, and therefore the percentage rate for your dividends varies by company. Quality companies who have consistent earnings and pay shareholders dividends regularly are commonly referred to as blue-chip stocks. Also, they tend to carry less risk than growth companies. Dividend-paying stocks tend to be reliable, even when the economy struggles. You can pick individual shares to invest in if you want. Alternatively, you can invest in index funds that specialize in high-yielding dividends. Assets are always a blessing for individuals trying to grow their wealth. They don't just give you financial freedom, but also let you live your life stress-free. Some assets compound money over time, but nonetheless, each asset will generate income. That's it. Hope you liked the video. If so, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and we'll see you in the next one.